Christopher. Good morning. What do you see? Huh? What do you see? Hey, Christopher. Do you see the puppy sitting in the chair? Look, there's a puppy sitting in the chair. Oh, it's an airplane? Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, thank you. You're going to give me the car? Car? Beep, beep. Yeah? Yeah? Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good morning. Can you give kisses? Can you give kisses? Mwah. Kisses. Mwah. Thank you, baby. Oh, got the milk? Okay. You gonna play with your car? Cracker? Cracker. That's right. Good job. You want to come look at some more toys? We're going to have a little snack first. You say car? That's right. That's what you got in your hand. What does the car do? Got a mouthful. Say, Mom, I can't do it right now. Hey, do you see our chair over here? Looky. And there's a puppy dog in the chair. You want to sit down? Can you sit down? Take a seat. It sings to you. Look at the puppy, Christopher.
Let's sing and play games. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
No? Okay. It's a doggy.
Bye-bye.
Cookie. Uh-oh. going. Whoa. You're running your race car people over. Oh, what's wrong? Uh-oh. You drop one of them?
Oh, wait.
Okay. Bless you. Whoa. Beep beep, coming through. Christopher, you say beep beep. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Can you rip it?
Chris, what did Santa Claus bring you?
Can you open this? Open this. Take your hand and open it. Open it.
Rip it open. Dad, show him kind of a little bit how to rip it.
Look,
Chris.
Chris.
Looky.
Come here.
Pull the paper.
Pull it. Open it. Pull more. Pull more.
Oh. What Santa Claus bring you in, Daddy? Oh, the paper is sticking to
Paper.
your fingers.
You brought us paper.
What did Santa Claus bring for you and Daddy?
Paper.
Really? Uh-oh, box will fall on him. Whoa!
Oh. Yeah?
What is that? What is it, Christopher? Oh, look, Christopher.
It's a robot and a mini robot.
He says, how come I can't touch it? You and Daddy get to play with that.
Yeah, you want to play with it?
Okay. How do you open this thing up?
You want to see it?
Say hello in there. Say hello in there. So move the paper out of the way.
Shouldn't have bothered to get anything.
Hey, let's turn it on.
It was here that the miracle of Jesus' birth began. We traveled to the holiest sites.
Oh no. Mom, look, Christopher. Whoa! Uh-oh. Yeah? Where'd the ball go? Oh, there it is. Is it mooing at
Come
you?
here.
Chris, look at that.
Oh. Look. Look. Oh.
What?
Cars, yes. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Christopher, does the car say brrr, brrr?
Vroom.
The car.
Yeah, they'll go good on this. Put them on here. Watch.
Whoa. Whoa. Boom.
Whee. Try your airplane. Whoa. Okay. Truck.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Pull on it.
Whoa. What is it? Red cars?
A truck and a car, Mom.